Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we will see how to handle drop down in our automation. So let me create a test case for this one. So I will say the test case title as handle drop down, and we will go to our site. Okay, I will just copy this line and paste it here, and then let me go to the site. Here if you remember our already existing discussions, you can see there are two types of drop downs here. One is select tag, another one is div, which is under multi select tab. Okay, so let me first go to the skills. You can see this is the select tag. Okay, so first we have to construct the XPath for this one. So I can use the skills attribute. So I will say select. So you can see in select there are total 6 drop downs. Okay, so if I want to uniquely identify this one, so I will go for ID attribute, and you can see 1 out of 1 is selected. So what I will do, I will store it in a variable. So I will say let skills drop down, store it in a variable. Okay, sorry, this one is a string, so I will use base.locator. I will construct the locator actually. Okay, so now this is the locator, and using this locator we will select one value. So if we'll analyze this select tag, so you can see, so there are many values actually. If I will click on this drop down, you can see there are many items in this drop down. So basically under this select tag, you can see here there are different option tag. Okay, so option tag are nothing but these are the values which are present inside this drop down. Okay, so you can see one is select skills, then Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so this is the value which you can see here. These are the value which are present inside the option tag. So let me select one of the value. Let me select Android. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this locator, await skill drop down dot select option. Okay, so basically if I'll hover on this method, so you can see here this is the method. So basically it's saying select the option in select tag. Okay, so basically if you'll come here, you can see this is the select tag, and basically these are the values which are going to select. Those values are present inside this option tag. Okay, so that's why we are using this select option method. Let us see if whether it is working or not. Okay, let me put a debug point here, and I will start the debugging. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, you can see here the Android tag, it has been selected. Okay, so basically we can see like this script is running, and if your drop down is a select tag, then you can go with this option. Okay, I will just continue. Okay, let me go to the application. So let me select this drop down as well. This is also inside the select tag. This is okay. This is also select. Okay, so basically inside this select all these values. So basically I'm searching for one of the drop down which is not select. Let me. Okay, this is multi select. Okay, so basically likewise you can handle all these drop downs. Okay, like since all these drop downs are under select tag, then we will see this tag. So if you will analyze this tag, you can see here this is present inside multi-select and div, and then the value is not appearing here. So if I will select inspect, so you can see here and this is present. Yes, so basically this is multi-select inside this div. Basically this is present, okay, inside this. So basically in one of the siblings this value is appearing, okay. And here you can see, so basically these are the different link list and anchor tag. Inside this anchor tag these are present, okay. So basically we have to first click on this drop down, and then from the drop down we have to select one of the value, okay. So let me first construct the XPath for this one. So if I will say so basically if you'll just manually first we'll see how this drop down is behaving, and then we will do it through automation, okay. So let me click on this one, okay. So basically after clicking on this drop down, you can see here this dialog is not disappearing, okay. To disappear this dialog we have to click on any of the field, okay. So this is the behavior of this application. Maybe it's a bug, okay. So but we will see how we can handle this drop down, okay. So basically first I will select this tag, okay. This is the, I can say, second drop down, or I will say this is the language drop down, okay. So I will first store it in a variable. Let language drop down equal to page dot locator. I will store it, okay. And then what I am doing manually, so basically if you'll see, I'm clicking on this drop down and then I'm selecting, okay. So then what I will do, so first I will click on this drop down, okay. So for that I will, what I am doing, language drop down dot click, okay. This line it will click on the drop down, and then I will select one value from this drop down. So let us construct one XPath for this value. So we can say this is the suppose say okay, we will go for Bulgarian. We will say, if I will select the XPath for this one, a text equal to a, okay. So basically if you will see whatever the text that is present inside this this is the end anchor and this is the anchor tag. So in between, what is it? This is the text, okay. This is the, this value we can fetch through text function, okay. So text is nothing but a function in XPath, okay. So I will use this XPath. So I will say, suppose value, let language equal to page dot locator. So basically what we are doing, everything the Playwright cannot recognize the string, okay. It will only recognize throw locator. So basically the locator function, it will we will give a string to this locator, and it will give us a from string it will convert to a locator, okay. That's why we have constructed the locator, and then we will click on this language. Alright, language dot click, okay. It means what we are doing, first we clicked on this language drop down, and then we are clicking on one of the value. What we are doing, if you'll see, I am clicking first on this one, and then I am clicking on this Bulgarian, okay. Let us see if it will work or not. I will put it down here, okay. Let me start the debugging. Okay, so you can see this Bulgarian, it has selected, okay. So basically if you want to disappear this dialog, you have to click on this email or any of the input field or any of the field. Okay, then only this dialog box will appear. So you can click after this one, you can click any of the field. Okay, so this is how the drop down works basically. So we have seen like how to handle this select drop down and a multi-select drop down. Okay, so I think that's all for today. If you have liked the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.